we're trying to get to our 1,000 kicks workout. But we're gonna start with, let's start with 250. We build up, and hopefully by the time we see you guys again, we'll get to 500 and then to 1,000. So we're gonna do 250 kicks today for our workout. We're gonna first start out with a double roundhouse that's low, high. And Mr. Mike here is gonna show us a low, high roundhouse. So go slow. So he's not gonna hit the first hit. He's gonna kind of fake the first low and then hit it high. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Nice. Okay?
So, and Anders might do a variation of this, which is not low high, it's just double roundhouse.
Yeah, Anders can just do a double roundhouse. So his is probably just mid-level double roundhouse. Go ahead. 1. Good.
Yep.
2. Good. 3.
How come
Nice.
you got two?
Yeah.
I got 3.
Well, because you're little and you're strong.
No.
I know, it's never fair. All right, so one more time. We're gonna do, Mike and I are gonna do low, high, double roundhouse. 1. So each one is 1 count. So when I count 1, that's 2 kicks. So 25 in each leg, that's 100 for the low, high roundhouse. Or you can do a mid-level, one more time. You can do like Ander, mid-level roundhouse. 1, 2. Again, you're hitting the top of your foot right here, and you're near the target. 1, 2. Okay? All right, let's get started. All right, on the count. Ready? 25 on each leg. 2 kicks for each time I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, your right leg is burning. All right, Mr. Mike, left leg, you count.
Okay, you can also, you don't have to have a target with these either. You can
Yeah, you
use
kick the air. Just kick the air.
Right.
But you do 50, 100.
Right. So see my left leg, my ankle hurts a little bit, so I'm probably gonna kick the air. So if you have an injury or something, it's best to kick the air. It's a good technique anyways to imagine your target. Ready?
All right. Everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doing good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's double kicks, Andrew. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, last one, 25.
All right.
Can't do
Woo.
kicks.
That's 100 kicks. That's 100 kicks, high, low, or mid-level.
My target was getting away from me.
That was 50 kicks.
Yeah, it was 100 because we did 2 kicks.
Yeah, each leg.
2 kicks for each leg. That's 50. 50 times 2 is 100. You guys doing your math? All right. Now we're gonna do a horse stance. Ready? We're gonna do this for the air. We're gonna skip, side kick, side kick. So first we're gonna skip with the right, left goes in, then we're gonna kick, step down. Then we're gonna scoot with the right leg over, skip, side kick on the other leg. So that's 1 count. And we're gonna do 25, 50 of those. 50 of those. Let's do 25, because that'll be our 50.
Okay.
All right, let's do, okay, we're gonna do 50 of those, so sidekick, sidekick. Okay, are you ready? Andrew's like, ready. Andrew's like, no. Andrew's like,
The next one we're doing roundhouse.
okay.
Do a
No,
roundhouse?
not double.
No double, just regular roundhouse? You do
Sounds
100
good.
roundhouses?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Ready?
Here,
On
switch
the
sides,
count.
Andrew.
All right,
Oh,
it's fine.
all the same way. Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. He can do that way. All right. On the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on there. 11.
I'm doing it.
You are.
I'm going fast.
12. I know you are.
And you said, come on.
13. Come on, Tweety. 14.
Come on, Mike.
15. Come on, old folks. 16.
I'm on 17.
17.
So it's going to show you out.
18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 2 more. 24. 25.
Whoa.
Okay, we did 200.
We did 150.
No,
That's-
200.
100 more kicks. So Andrew here wants to do just 100 roundhouse.
Yeah.
Is your? Okay.
That,
We'll put our target back.
I'll finish it in 1 minute.
Okay, round. So we 50 each leg. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready? 50 for each leg. Alright, ready? These are just regular roundhouse again. Roundhouse. Or you can do the air. You point your knee at the target. This foot goes perpendicular when you kick. This foot needs to point that way. You're gonna tear up your knee if the foot doesn't turn with your leg turning, okay? Do not keep this foot steady. It needs to flip with the kick. Just like that. All right, Andrew's gonna count.
No. I'm not.
You count it? You don't count? All right, Daddy count. Daddy count. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Woo! Woo! Good kick. All right. All right, only
1 minute break.
1 minute break. Only 50 kicks for left side left. You
That's
guys
going
keeping
down.
up? 250 kicks. 250 kicks with us. And that's it.
And then next time.
Next time will be 500.
No.
Next time it's 1,000.
How are you guys doing your roundhouses? Show me what you were doing, Andrew. I want to see. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Woo.
Same
Doing the
thing.
same? Yeah, so
Same thing.
these roundhouses, we're kicking, we aren't bringing it all the way back.
Yeah, these are
Okay.
speed front roundhouses.
Yeah.
So they go, jump, and they bounce.
Yeah.
I might do on the 5,000, but I definitely won't do it.
5,000. Andrew's gonna do his own video.
You're on your own now.
For 5,000 kicks.
I'll count for you.
I am at 500.
Mommy and
Oh,
Daddy's
I
gonna
see,
take
I
a
see.
nap.
I'm not gonna do the 1,000 one.
I
Okay.
have one quick question while we're still on break. So you guys are doing these roundhouses. How many roundhouses can you do without putting it down? Maybe that's another contest.
Yeah, we're gonna have a challenge about that. That'd be a cool challenge to
I've
do.
done that challenge before. I did make it once.
It's okay. And you know what? If you don't make it, try and try again until you do. So,
Ready? Let's go.
all right, let's do our last 50 kicks, and that's it.
Last 50. Come on.
Last 50.
All right, left leg back.
I'm not very good at those.
That's okay. We're gonna go a little bit slower.
You
Left
go
leg.
slow. Don't go so fast.
Okay.
You started with 10 kicks before Daddy got to 1.
All right, you guys ready? We're gonna do it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's too slow for you? Speed it up. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Are you going to keep going? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
All right, you guys. We're
You
gonna
guys
go
stayed with us. That was
250 kicks. And I think it's time for us to go take a nap.
yes.
It's time
Thank you,
for me
guys.
to watch YouTube.